All right, today we're gonna bring a wooden fan. Look at how large it is. It's a long extension. I'm gonna put the how many inches around it is because this one's gonna take a lot of territory. So you got to make sure you have the actual coverage for this first. All right. Now on this one there is no light. All right, it's just the base itself, and that's pretty much it. And the motor, and it comes with a remote too. The remote's in here. And pretty much everything's ready to go. All you got to do is make sure you have the mount and you have the actual backing for it, because this is a little heavy. The motor itself, it's a couple pounds heavy, and then the rest of the stuff is very simple to set up. Now, optional, you can set up a light on these sometimes. So I'll let you guys know. Let me just open it up and see what's included, see what we can get on the motor.
So right here is showing you the colors that you gotta connect your wires on this diagram. So make sure you follow it. You know, yellow, red, and gray. And then you got your neutral
And your light.
and your live here. And make sure on your connection that you connect it the proper way so you don't have any problems. And then you got your ground. And then we got a piece of wood to support it so it doesn't come off on us. And we're gonna show you how it works.
We got the fan in this warehouse, and this warehouse gets hot, really hot, but this is our working area that we are. So this fan is a blessing in the sky by putting it up right above us. So very good, and I can feel it from every direction where I stand. I'm about 20 feet away from the actual fan, and I feel it all the way through this warehouse. So this is gonna be a wonderful thing. We're gonna set up 3 or 4 of these all over the warehouse to keep it nice and cool, but it's running very quiet too. I don't hear at all. And like I said, as long as you have the backing for it and the electrical work, easy to set up. All right, here we have the actual fan working now. We have level 1 all the way to 6. We could stop a fan, we could do reverse. We go 1, 2, 4, and 8 hours. And then we could do natural wind so you could be quieter. You guys can see this is a warehouse. We're gonna put 3 or 4 of these to make the actual warehouse cool, and you can feel it how strong it is. So it's actually working. So I'm gonna stop it now. I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna go the opposite way, and it's gonna stutter and it's gonna go the opposite way as soon as I do that. See, there you go. And then we could go 1 through 6. We're also gonna do a 6 here and let it run. So very simple, easy to install. You guys can see this is a warehouse where you would install 3 or 4. These are perfect for large environments, all right? And you could actually feel the wind very strong. Long boards, very cool down your place. Installation is very simple. Just follow the colors and you'll be fine. Installing, you got to make sure you have the proper walls and ceiling, and also the electrical.